Have you heard of the Mediterranean diet? It's one of the most popular diets in the world. But do you know what's so great about it? Well, adopting this diet can have a positive impact on your health. In this video, I'm going to show you some of the benefits that can come from following the Mediterranean diet. Hey there, if you're new here, please consider subscribing to this channel because we talk about nutrition, dieting, and healthy lifestyle to help you live a better and healthy life. Now let's get started. Today we're talking about one of the most popular diets in the world, the Mediterranean diet. It's been around for centuries and is known as one of the healthiest ways to eat. There are many different variations of it, but they all follow a similar pattern. Lots of vegetables, fruits, whole grains, and nuts, while limiting red meat consumption. It's been proven that the Mediterranean diet can help with weight loss, reduce your risk for heart disease, and prevent cancer. But it doesn't stop there. So let's break down the top 6 benefits of the Mediterranean diet that'll help you live longer and healthier. Number 1. The Mediterranean diet can reduce risk of heart disease. A high adherence to the Mediterranean diet is associated with reduced blood pressure levels, improved lipid profiles, and decreased incidence of cardiovascular disease. The beneficial effects of the Mediterranean diet are mainly attributed to the presence of healthy fats, such as monounsaturated fatty acids and omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and the vitamins and minerals present in its typical foods. By switching to a Mediterranean diet, you may be able to reduce your blood pressure by as much as 5 to 10 millimeters of mercury and low-density lipoprotein cholesterol, called bad cholesterol, by up to 10 to 20%. This means less stress in your blood vessels and could eventually help prevent strokes or coronary artery disease, which affects arteries that supply oxygen-rich blood to your heart. In addition, the nutrients in the Mediterranean diet helps to keep arteries clear and reduces the risk of heart attacks and strokes. Altogether, these factors contribute to the beneficial effects of the Mediterranean diet on heart health. Number 2. The Mediterranean diet can help prevent diabetes. The Mediterranean diet may help stabilize blood sugar levels and protect against type 2 diabetes because it encourages eating more plant-based foods and fewer processed foods, meaning the diet is higher in monounsaturated fats, omega-3 fatty acids, dietary fiber, vitamins and minerals than other diets. The combination of these nutrients helps keep your metabolism healthy and insulin levels balanced, which help reduce the risk of developing insulin resistance, the precursor to type 2 diabetes. So if you're looking to protect your health and prevent the onset of type 2 diabetes, the Mediterranean diet is a good place to start. Just remember to focus on consuming mostly plant-based foods, healthy fats, lean protein, and plenty of water, while limiting processed foods, sugary drinks, and alcohol. And don't forget to get up and move your body every day. Number 3. The Mediterranean diet can help with brain health. Some of the nutrients in the Mediterranean diet work together to provide brain health benefits. For example, the healthy fats found in olive oil and fish help to protect the brain from inflammation, which can lead to cognitive decline. The antioxidants found in fruits and vegetables help to protect the brain from damage caused by free radicals. The B vitamins in a Mediterranean diet are essential for the proper functioning of the brain. In addition to these nutrients that the Mediterranean diet provides, the act of cooking and eating with others has been shown to have positive effects on mental health. The social aspect of the Mediterranean diet can help to reduce stress levels and promote a sense of well-being. When people eat together, they share their experiences and connect with one another. This can lead to a stronger sense of community and social support, which is beneficial for mental health. Thus, by following the Mediterranean diet, you can help keep your brain healthy as you age. Number 4. The Mediterranean diet supports weight loss. The Mediterranean diet is a great option for those looking to lose weight. Studies have shown that the Mediterranean diet produces greater weight loss than low-fat diets. Additionally, the Mediterranean diet may help to reduce the accumulation of belly fat. Belly fat is more harmful to health than fat stored in the hips or thighs. So the ability of the Mediterranean diet to target belly fat is especially important. The mechanisms behind the diet's ability to promote weight loss are not yet fully understood, but it likely has something to do with the high intake of healthy fats and the plethora of antioxidants present in the Mediterranean diet. The diet is also high in fiber, which helps to keep you feeling full and satisfied after eating, so you're less likely to indulge in unhealthy snacks between meals. Additionally, the Mediterranean diet is a great source of antioxidants, which can help your body to burn fat more efficiently. By incorporating some of the key principles of the Mediterranean diet into your own eating plan, you can enjoy all the health benefits this way of eating has to offer while losing weight too. Additionally, the Mediterranean diet is low in sugar and processed foods, which can help to reduce your overall calorie intake, which can lead to weight loss. Overall, the Mediterranean diet is a healthy and sustainable way to lose weight and keep it off for good. Number 5. The Mediterranean diet supports healthy aging. Eating a Mediterranean diet is linked to healthy aging by improving the body's ability to protect itself against disease. A study found that the people who followed a Mediterranean diet were more likely to live longer and healthier lives than those who didn't. So, the nutrients found in the typical Mediterranean foods may help keep your body functioning at its best as you age. They help to protect the body from damage and disease. For instance, healthy fats help to keep the cell membrane intact, allowing the cell to function properly. Some studies also provide evidence that the Mediterranean diet may promote healthy aging by increasing the abundance of gut bacteria associated with longevity, which can improve the overall health of the individual. People who followed the Mediterranean diet had a more diverse range of gut bacteria than those who didn't. This is because the diversity of gut bacteria has been linked with good health and longer life. So, the Mediterranean diet may promote healthy aging by improving the gut microbiota, which is the community of bacteria that live in the gastrointestinal tract. So, if you want to live a long, healthy life, consider eating a Mediterranean diet. Number 6. The Mediterranean diet protects against some cancers. The antioxidant-rich and anti-inflammatory diet may also protect against certain cancers, because it helps the body repair damage caused by free radicals, which are unstable molecules that can damage cells, leading to inflammation. The Mediterranean diet has been shown to help the body fight free radical damage and reduce inflammation. Some of the specific ways the Mediterranean diet may protect against cancer include: Number 1. Reducing the risk of developing cancer in the first place by promoting a healthy weight and reducing the amount of inflammation-causing foods in the diet. That helps lower the risk of developing ovarian cancer by up to 50%, the risk of developing breast cancer by up to 25%, and the risk of dying from cancer by up to 35%. Number 2. Slowing the growth of existing cancer cells by reducing the amount of sugar available to them. Sugar feeds cancer cells and helps them grow, so reducing the amount of sugar in the diet can help slow the growth of cancer cells. Number 3. Preventing cancer cells from spreading to other parts of the body by reducing inflammation. Inflammation can make it easier for the cancer cells to spread, so the anti-inflammatory properties of the Mediterranean diet may help prevent the spread of cancer. Number 4. Improving the effectiveness of chemotherapy and radiation therapy treatments by helping the body repair the damage caused by the treatments. The antioxidants in the Mediterranean diet may help the body repair the damage caused by chemotherapy and radiation therapy, making the treatments more effective. There you have it, the top 6 benefits of the Mediterranean diet. If you thought this video was helpful, give it a like and also share with your friends and family so they can learn about this topic. And also, if you want to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and the bell notification. Leave a comment below about what you want to see next. Check out this video to learn more about the Mediterranean diet. Thank you for watching till the next one. Stay healthy. Peace out.